Hi, Buddeswar.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Buddeswar, introduce about yourself, college, and your district.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Buddeswar from Karnool, and I completed my BTech in Pulla Reddy, specialized in civil engineering. And during my BTech, I had an opportunity to do an internship in Karnool Municipal Corporation, and also I have done a project in influence project in developing high strength self compacting concrete. And I'm from middle class family.
Okay, that's nice. Like in your internship program, what all the topics you have covered? How was the internship program?
Yeah, ma'am. Internship program from CMTI only, ma'am. During my third BTech last semester, summer internship, CMTI visited our campus and taught us cost estimation, BIM, and some softwares related to structures.
Like as you have told about the softwares, right? What are the softwares you have learned?
Softwares means SketchUp, BIM, and 3D Max, ma'am.
You went for site visits and all, right? How was the site experience, like IBU? What all the topics you have learned in IBU?
Ma'am, IBO means India's largest home place, ma'am. It's offer to customers which is required for the home materials, ma'am. It means tiles of plywood and different types of products they have, ma'am. Almost 7,000 products are there, ma'am. And more than 175 brands are there, ma'am.
Will you suggest CMTI to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I will suggest.
Okay. Like how was the procedure when you went to the interviews, right? How was the CMTI help and the guidance for you?
ఇనిషియల్ గా మనకి రిటన్ టెస్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసి మన అబిలిటీని చెక్ చేసి ఇంటర్వ్యూ ద్వారా రిటర్న్ టెస్ట్ ద్వారా మన అబిలిటీని బట్టి మన క్యాపబిలిటీని బట్టి మన కంపెనీ సజెస్ట్ చేసింది సిఎంటి.
Okay, like your college is still not yet completed, like your graduation is still pending. How do you feel before graduation you have got placed, right? How do you feel and how is your experience?
గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ కంప్లీట్ కాకముందే జాబ్ వచ్చిందంటే ఇట్స్ ఎ గ్రేట్, మ్యామ్.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
జూనియర్స్ కి చెప్పేంత పొజిషన్ లో అయితే లేను మ్యామ్ ఇంకా నేను. కానీ సిఎంటి టైప్ అయిన కంపెనీస్ వల్ల మనకి చాలా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినారు.
Okay, Buddeswar, like thank you for your feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
Thank you.